To execute 66-year-old Anthony Darrell Hines. This comes after more than a year of legal challenges to this execution.
Now, let's break down exactly how this all got here where we are now. Back in March of 2025, Hines joined 8 other Tennessee death row inmates in a lawsuit that was challenging the state's execution methods. As a matter of fact, we've got a full look at the timeline of how we got here right next to us now.
In May of this year, Tennessee failed an attempt to execute Tony Carruthers, and that's what led to the July request from Hines' team to Governor Bill Lee and the Tennessee Supreme Court. They asked for a delay in the execution unless the state replaced the doctor that was used in Carruthers' execution. Then we get to August 11th. Governor Lee denied Hines' clemency request, and just yesterday, another legal challenge from Hines' team, this time over how the state plans to restrain him during the execution.
Now, Fox 17 News' Chris Knowles is live for us this morning outside of the River Bend Maximum Security Prison. And Chris, the attorneys for Mr. Hines says a lot of the complications has to do with 2 recent strokes that he suffered.
That's absolutely correct, Justin. These strokes are the basis of this new filing. Before we get into it, let's give you a look here as more people are making their way here. More activity is picking up here at the River Bend Maximum Security. Now, when it comes to these strokes, Hines' attorney says that he had 2 strokes and that left him paralyzed on his left side. They say his left arm is now bent at the elbow and his left hand stays clenched, and he cannot straighten that arm or hand on his own. And the problem, they say, is that Tennessee's execution protocol calls for an inmate's arms to be secured to extensions on the gurney. Hines' attorneys argue forcing that arm straight could cause him severe pain, and his attorneys instead want the state to leave his arm left on his side and use his unaffected limbs for the IV lines. They are now asking a federal judge for a temporary restraining order to keep the state from forcibly straightening that arm or unclenching his hand. Importantly, this new filing isn't asking the judge to overturn Hines' sentence. It's asking the court to change how the state physically restrains him if today's execution moves forward. And we will be here providing you the latest. I'm Chris Knowles reporting Fox 17 News, your Code Red Station.